Hey guys, welcome back to Bruno's Bites. Today, I have an exciting viral TikTok recipe. Get ready to satisfy your bread cravings without all the carbs with this low-carb keto bread. To make this incredible low-carb bread, you need few ingredients. 1 cup egg white powder, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of cottage cheese, half cup of nutritional yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. First, let's start with the cottage cheese. Measure out 1 cup of cottage cheese and mix it until you get a smooth and consistent texture. This will ensure a creamy and delightful bread. In a separate bowl, add the egg white powder and water. Mix it vigorously until you achieve stiff peaks. This step will give our bread the light and fluffy texture we desire. Now it's time to enhance the flavors. Add salt and garlic powder to the mixture, ensuring that the savory taste comes through in every bite. Now gently incorporate the cottage cheese, folding in with a spatula. Next, we'll incorporate the nutritional yeast. Gently fold it into the mixture until it is well combined. This ingredient not only gives our bread a fantastic cheesy flavor and added nutritional benefits, but also helps to reduce the eggy taste, making it even more pleasant to enjoy. Prepare a loaf pan by lining it with parchment paper. This will prevent the bread from sticking and make it easier to remove once it's baked. Now it's time to bake our low-carb keto bread. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, around 180 degrees Celsius, and place the loaf pan inside. Bake the bread for approximately 30 minutes or until it turns golden brown. Keep an eye on it to ensure it's cooked to perfection. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy alternative to regular bread, low-carb keto bread. It's perfect for those following a keto or low-carb lifestyle. Slice up this bread and you'll be amazed at how soft and flavorful it is. Enjoy it with your favorite toppings, use it for sandwiches, or simply relish it on its own. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to access the recipe details and a printable version, you can find all the information in the info box below or visit brunosbites.com using the link below.